Alphas, JP Letnick from TopAlphaTeam.com. Thank you for stopping by. Now, in this video, you're going to see a recorded webinar, essentially where I dissect a friend of mine's website. I help him rebuild it. I help him take care of some problems that he had with his Aweber opt-in form, with the forwarding to a capture page, and having a theme issue because he had a free theme, so it wasn't compatible with the new Facebook Aweber integration, so we had to get him a paid theme, and we set that all up for him. So this basically goes through a lot of content within a 60-minute time frame. So this is a longer video, but it's very beneficial for you if you're wanting to see how we go through the kind of like fixing up a blog site. So go ahead, enjoy, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below, or contact us on our website. See you on that inside.
Hello, Jay.
Hello.
Hello. Alright, so I am going to connect. And now... Alrighty, so I'm going to minimize that. There we go. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So, here we go. We are in your Aweber right now. And which web form is it?
I believe it's this middle one right there with the 3,547.
Okay.
And I was just playing with it, so I changed some of it. But what I had to do was I had to make the font smaller in the heading.
Right.
Oh wait a minute, what are you doing? Oh shit. Oh damn.
So that's how you change the position of the buttons.
Oh, okay. I
Yeah.
was like, because when I clicked on edit, it didn't show anything. I was like, well, shit. But
Yeah.
that's right. That's the bomb. Okay.
Okay. And good, that's good. And did you want this to be bigger?
Well, I wanted it bigger, but if I make it any bigger, it's outside of the box. See, that kind of looks stupid like that, don't you think?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is this down arrow here.
Uh-huh.
Boom.
Oh, shit. Learning all kinds of shit.
And so what we need to do is, since you can see here there is no space, so it's the padding. So as the here is, it's pushing down. So if we changed...
Well, I was actually thinking about changing my opt-in to a red one. I'd done this one because it kind of went along with the theme.
Okay.
You know, with the theme that I was using. So, you know, it has a green bar on it. So that's why I went with that.
Right.
You think I should go with the red one with the little red arrows?
That totally depends on you. I mean, color consistency is important, but you want to draw attention to it, so having red is beneficial.
Yeah.
Yeah. What you want to do here, though, is enter your first last name and click remove text when clicked. And the reason for doing this is because people are not always as smart as you think they are.
No, they're downright stupid.
Here.
Or should we put best email? I noticed Norbert says that a lot in his videos. He's like, you know, enter your best email.
Doesn't hurt.
See, one of the things I haven't really been pushing MLSP.
Right.
And of course I'm starting to now because, you know, it's better. But one of the things that I was thinking about was my brain just died. What the hell was I thinking? Don't get old, man. You start doing all kinds of stuff. Where was I going with that?
That's a good question.
Huh. I had no idea. I don't know. Yeah, I'll think about it. Maybe it'll come to me one day. Maybe.
This is weird. Why is it
I think that's the one that works on that one. Don't you think?
there?
Well, no, that's the padding of left, right,
Yeah,
up,
that's
and
the left.
yeah.
That looks better though.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, for some reason it's not letting me change the padding up to here.
Yeah, well, that's just one of those forms that were already created.
Mm-hmm.
You know, easy for a retard to do.
So let's go ahead and save that. And I don't know if you have this set up yet, but let's take a look. So,
No.
advanced settings. No, that's not what we want. Facebook integration right here. Boom. Okay.
And then,
Are you wanting to send them to an MLSP page?
well, no, that's just the one that's the. I don't know that one right there. I've got on my my other website, which it's a little thing saying because it's double opt-in, so it just says go check your Yahoo inbox now.
Right, that's this one right here.
Right, and then the already subscribed page. If they're already subscribed, that's if they're already subscribed to the mailing list, right?
Yeah. If they enter their information again and they're already subscribed, then they get sent to the basic page, or you can send them to a custom URL. So what are they getting when they're putting in their information?
Shit, I don't remember on this one. And see, the problem, I just fought with my other website forever because it kept sending them to the wrong thing, even though I had it different. And then I realized it was up in the damn settings of the other thing. Not in this. It was in the actual list setting,
Right.
where they were being sent to one of David Wood's old wacky presentations, and so I had to stop that and fix it so that they would go to Ray's updated presentation that he updates pretty regular. And I kept fighting and fighting with it, but see, it was up here. If you look, like under my list in list settings, it was in there, and I don't ever remember putting that video up there. So I don't know how that got in there. I mean, I'm sure I did it, but I mean, I went around. I emailed Aweber for like 2 weeks. We kept going back and forth, and they were like, and I'm like, yeah, I understand that, but why is it doing that? Where can I go there and fix that? Because I don't want it that.
Right.
So,
so where do you want this one to go?
Oh shit, I don't know.
Are you going to be working with MLSP then to promote it?
Yeah, well, that's this right here. When they click on this, they get sent to my Aweber list that is the MLSP emails. You know, the ones that are formulated right. The thing. So that's what they go for. And see, man, I'm telling you, I'm confused as hell now.
Okay. So what you want to do is you want to send them to a training.
Well, then I need to change what it says on the thing, because I just watched that training that Brian did not the other day. I just watched it where he puts, I guess it's the double your conversion video,
right?
Where he shows you how to make an opt-in form and use your thank you page and all that stuff. And so I was going to do that for my blog. I just hadn't done it yet.
Right.
Because right now I was doing that because, it sends you the emails and the trainings. And maybe that's why I haven't had that good a response with the people that opt in.
Which one did you want to use?
I don't know.
I'm just going to show you the example of what to do when you want to use it. And then you can change it later on.
I guess famous in 60 days, it sounds good to me. Okay. Everybody's on Facebook now, so.
So we just copy that link. And okay, there we go. There's the link that we want. Ooh, 1 second. Copy. Okay, we were. Back to the Aweber here. What you would want to do for your web form, if you were wanting to send people to the presentation, is you would use a custom page, and you put in the link
Right.
with thank-u at the end.
Okay.
That's going to send them to that other page. Now, in order to make that work, you need to do pass form data in advanced settings.
Okay.
And once you have that, whenever they enter their
Now-
information into the web form, they'll get sent to this page. Their information gets sent to MLSP, so they skip the capture page, so they don't have to enter their information twice, and they go straight to the video.
Right. Right. Okay. And now, what do you think is if they're already subscribed? Where should they go?
Same place. So, boom, and boom.
Ah. Okay. Cool.
Yep. And then I would save that. And so, yeah, this actually still, this text works still for that.
Okay.
Now, if we go to publish, just to show you what it looks like, go to your blog for me.
There you go.
Cool. Appearance and widgets.
I'm pretty sure it's that first text one over there. Yeah.
No. Oh, you're using the JavaScript?
Yeah, that's because it was an old long time ago, and that's what they said to do. And
Okay.
I know it's changed now.
Yeah, so we'll use the HTML. Click save.
Yeah, because
And the reason for...
before the very first video they said use that little JavaScript, but I guess they've started having problems with that or something.
Yeah, the reason why you use HTML is because not everybody's computers have JavaScript enabled, which means that your form won't show up. With HTML, as long as they're using an internet browser, the web form will show up because web browsers are all compatible with HTML. Even when HTML5 comes out, the HTML4, which is what this is, will still be compatible. The JavaScript and Flash aspects of websites, once HTML5 takes over, are going to be obsolete.
Cool, I guess.
All right, let's open a new tab.
Since that's
So that needs a space in between there. Sign up for your free Facebook.
glad you know what the hell you're doing.
There we go. Yeah, now that catches attention and it's centered. And then let's take, for example, let's say I'm like every single other person on the planet. Can you log into your Facebook? And I've signed into my Facebook. Blah blah blah. I'm on Facebook. Because I never leave Facebook. Just like everyone else.
Well, I have to leave Facebook or else I can't ever get anything done.
Right. Which is
I
the
get on
point.
there and I try to do it for a little bit. And you're my friend or no? Are you my friend on Facebook?
I don't know.
Yeah, we're friends.
Yep.
I thought we were.
Cool. But yeah, so let's say, you're on
That
Facebook.
sexy picture.
Huh?
I said, look at that sexy picture.
There's me.
You shaving and looking like a person.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy.
Yeah.
But yeah, so let's say we're on Facebook and we come to your site Because we're Facebook addicts and all that fun stuff. And site is loading. Why isn't it working?
I don't know. Did you break it?
I don't know, maybe. Let me check and see. It's working on my side. Yeah, it's working great on my side.
But yeah, I mean, yeah. And then I was like, yeah, change my link to magnetic sponsoring to your link with magnetic sponsoring. And boom, you have it. Then and it's like these people are retarded.
Yep.
I mean, how lazy can you be not to do that? I mean, it's not hard. But see, the good thing with MLSP is once I set you into it, and you put your name and your address and your social security number, boom, it's done.
Exactly.
So I mean, plus all the training, you can't beat the hundreds of hours worth of training.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, I mean, and then I mean, of course, everybody I've met through MLSP has just been, phenomenal. Why'd you just put 3 6s in there? Now I feel like Satan.
Because it's the code that allows it for being changed. Funny stuff.
Don't go for you Satan worshippers. I know how you Canucks are.
I actually don't follow hockey.
I appreciate you helping me out with this.
No problem. I'm getting
But
good content.
I got to start making some serious money with this. And who's that little hat wearing thing beside of you?
That's my wife.
I know, I'm just picking on you.
Whoa.
My big ass save button.
Okie dokie.
It's amazing how just a capital letter will screw everything up.
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
Okay, yeah, so it was a theme. The theme was conflicting. So give me a second. I'm looking for a skin. Well, actually, more so a child theme. Make your blog pretty. Let's see. Let's demo this one. How does that look? Like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see here. Demo. Or how about this one? Like this one better or less?
I swear, I feel like I'm at the doctor's office. Can you see better with this one or this one? This one or this? I don't know. What do you like better?
This one has the post slider, which is cool. I like post sliders.
What?
Hmm?
What's a post slider?
And basically, you can set featured posts into here so that if you add image to it, you can add some text, and it basically promotes your featured posts. So you could have a featured post on MLSP, you could have a featured post on one of your affiliate products, you could have your own product that you could have a post on. So your latest posts show up here, but you could have your featured posts with an image, basically alternating, sliding.
Okay. I
And
see what you're saying.
and you can turn this on and off. So this one's really nice.
Yeah.
Um,
I kind of like that idea.
okay, so cinch press. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this. Blah 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 blah. I think it's that one. I command you. Fine. All right. Right click, save target as downloads. Cinch press. Save. There it is. Cinch press. Whoa! Why do you already have... Oh, I guess I downloaded it already a couple times. Whoops. No, I don't want to do that. I want to go into design. And I want to go into appearance and theme. And then I want to go into install theme. And then I want to upload. And browse. And libraries. And documents. And computer. OS. Users. Jay Neal. Downloads. Cinch press. Opity install. And import. Clickety clack. And begin installing plugin. Install. Activated. Hurrah! Alright. And refresh. Boom. Alright. Now you might find you might not want to have this image here, because it does kind of mess things up, but that's something you can decide.
The image you're talking about, the error?
Yeah, well, any of the images, they kind of mess with the layout. But, yeah, so let's make that 350. Test that out. That looks better.
Yeah, that looks better.
Good, now this is working. Because, yeah, this fills in the name, their email address, which is their best email address because they're using it on Facebook. And
Right.
then if they want, they can do their friends. I mean the phone number, and then
Yeah.
register. So yeah, this is how it looks.
Cool. Now the blog posts are going to be where it says home top and all that stuff.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is,
Is that? I mean, did I get that correct?
yeah. So appearance, widgets. Okay. So here we've got home top. Featured posts. Uh, all categories. Number of posts to show. Let's say 5. Order by date. Show featured image. Thumbnail. Left. Show post title. Show post intro. Info. Actually, no, we don't need that. Show excerpt. Yep. Content lines to, let's see, 150 characters. More display an unordered list of more posts. No. Save. And scroll up. Refresh. Trada.
Cool.
Oh, I like this.
Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
Okay, and here, let me get view.
Now the the posts that are scrolling through the thing. Okay. When the picture, I mean the scroll through the thing right there in the top.
Yep.
How do you set that, and how do you have a picture? Because I've got pictures on most of. I try to get a picture on all my blogs now.
Yep.
Because all my posts, because everybody, it really makes them stand out.
So up here in Themedy settings, include the feature slider homepage is checked, and you enter the category IDs to include. So what you would do is, let's say, posts, categories, name, slider, slug, slider, parent none, description doesn't matter, blah blah blah. Add new category. Category up, slider, post 0. ID is 109. See how I found that?
Yes.
Okay. Posts, I created a new category. Then I actually went into edit the category, which gives me the category ID inside of the URL right here.
Okay.
ID equals 109. So what I'm going to do is go into the Themedy settings and add the category ID 109. So now, whenever you want to add one of your posts to your slider, which you can disable or enable here. So if you decide not to have a slider, you can just turn it on or off. But you're going to go to the posts that you are wanting on the slider.
Uh-huh.
And like this one right here. So we're going to click on it. And we add it to, whoops,
Slider right there.
slider.
Oh, okay.
And then we scroll down to update.
Okay, so I just whatever if I've got it as a category clicked, then it's automatically going to be showed up there, and then so I can take it out at any time.
Yeah, if it's in the slider category, it should show up. Yeah, so there it is. So
the image, that's actually a clickable link right there.
Yeah,
that's my thing from MLSP.
So here we need to set a featured image.
Ah.
Gallery. Let's use this one just for fun, and you can change it later if you want. So you would click on Use as Featured Image. It saves. Voila. Close that.
I didn't know you could do that. Or is that just with this theme?
Nope, it's everyone.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, and then you update and refresh, and voila.
Ah, cool. Cool.
And yeah, so just make sure that any of the images that you got from Google you remove and replace with something that's royalty-free or public domain.
Well,
and then
I'll have to get rid of all of them, pretty much.
yeah, pretty much. I had to take down my entire website, so I'm starting fresh. But yeah, and then to edit these, it's in the widgets.
Who sent you a dirty letter?
Getty Images.
Getty Images.
Yeah. Don't use anything from Getty Images or iStock.
Well, yeah, I don't. I mean, most of the ones that I got actually came off of other people's websites.
Yep. Mine did too, and it turns out one that I had was from Getty Images. And yeah, so they fined me $1,000 for one image. And I was nice to them about it and took down my site and whatnot, so they lowered it to $690. But yeah, it was crap. Oh, and if you want a logo or something, you can go to Fiverr.com, Fiverr, pay $5 to get a logo made up. And right, we want menus, which is an appearance, and menus. And now, so we can either use this menu, or we can use the menu in Thesis. And you set that by going to Thesis Site Options and choosing it here. I like using the WordPress menu, because it gives you a little bit better functionality when it comes to nesting pages. So main menu. Create. Alright, so which ones did you want on there? Before you start home business, contact us, work directly with Jay, about Jay Neal, and recommends?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're going to add to menu. Boom. So contact us will be at the bottom. About Jay Neal will be nested, and that's how you nest. And before you work from home. And do you want recommends there, or?
What's no? What does nested mean?
Nested means that it's within the parent. So even if it's technically not set as a parent with the WordPress menu, you can set it as a nested page, which is cool because it's easy to do that. So if I save this menu, oh, and by the way, you have two menus on this theme. So you can actually have your main menu, and then you can actually have a categories menu if you want to. So you create a new menu, and you can have a secondary menu.
Oh, okay.
So you can have your main categories for your posts on the second menu. But let's just give you a shout. So that's what that looks like. So now if I have that cursor over top, there's the About Jay Neal.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, I just got some ideas.
Now let's do
You're trying to make it look all professional and shit.
So let's grab that and boom. Subscribe. Add to menu. Save menu.
Because so now I can go and I can, like under the recommends, I can boot MLSP. I can actually do the different link and have a page for each of those products.
Yeah, you can. Refresh.
Because that way I can do my like a review page or something similar to that for each thing, or information almost like a sales letter for each page.
Mm-hmm.
I mean each. Cool.
Let's see. There we go. That's better. Now you can see the subscribe. And there we go. Yeah, so you can play around with that. And then if you want to change the design of the sites, so the fonts and everything like that, it's in Thesis Design Options.
Uh-huh.
And this is where you change the font colors and everything.
And columns and all that stuff.
Yep.
And then just don't forget to hit the big ass save button.
Yep. And then themedy settings. Again, this is where you can actually change it to green, red, pink, dark. You can change the blog title to the logo. So if you get one from Fiverr, you can change it to an image. This is where you change the footer. Make sure to keep this part, site built by Top Alpha Mentors. Leave that there, because I technically have the license for Thesis.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
And yeah, featured slider, you can change the effect to fade, fold, slice down, slice up, all these fun things. You can change the speed that changes it by and how many slides you want to do. And then, yeah.
Cool.
So yeah,
cool.
There you go.
Wow. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now I just got to be able to put out some decent content so people will actually go there.
Yeah. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel?
No, I don't think I have.
Yeah, you should do that.
Send me the link so I can, or your screen name so I can go to YouTube and do that. The team pajamas?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Okay, cool.
I add content every single day. And it's all
good.
training. Well, you have a good rest of the day.
All right, I appreciate it.
Yeah, take care.
All right, thank you.